Hey guys, it's Tony W. Today we'll do a long-term review of our Schwinn Comfort bike seat. This is a commuter bike seat. As you can see, it's ribbed. It's a waterproof top. This is over 10 years old, by the way. And of course, I've been keeping my bikes indoors, but at the same time, it has lasted for a good 10 years or more, and it still looks great. The best thing about this is that it's ribbed and it's well padded on top, so your hip bones just land on those two pillows on there. It's also suspended, and there's a little shock absorbers right there. The reason why I got this one is because those shock absorbers was good, the padding was good, and also it was easy to care for. You just wipe it down. It's waterproof and stuff on top. It's also universal, so I put it on my upright folding bike like this one. You can also put it on a cruiser bike and other bikes as well. But at the same time, this is pretty useful because one, it's lasted very long. It's pretty well made, and it's also a little bit good if you're doing commuting because whether it's wet weather or whatever, you can just wipe it down. It is super comfortable since it's upright. So for upright bikes like this, it's perfect for it. And of course, the stitching is really nice. It looks kind of funny. It's not like a traditional bike seat, but at the same time, it's super comfortable, and that's what's good about it. For portability, it is a little heavier than your typical bike saddle, but at the same time, you can't replace that comfort. And I'll mention it's still pretty compact. It still fits within my folding bike's width. So anyways, guys, it's Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.